this finale, say yeah.
Yeah!
Got it, Shaw. My name is Wilson, by the way. I'm from Kansas. Everybody say hi, Wilson. Hi, everybody. Thanks for being friendly. I built all this stuff. The crazy guitar, giant box, big machine. These are original designs. Back in high school, I needed an insane amount of money to do this. I did not have any money. I approached some very wealthy individuals and organizations. The answer there was always no. I ended up putting a drum on my back. I did about 3,000 street performances across the United States. Back to Kansas, big machine was a pile of scrap metal. Chopped that up, welded it together, and voila. You guys don't look impressed with my story. So, you're not looking at a robot. Nothing here is automated. There's a pedal board beneath my feet. I achieved the drum beats by performing multiple pedals at the same time, mostly with my right foot. This is my right foot. This is all my right foot. When I play faster, my left foot's coming in. The right foot holds down the core of the drum beat. The simple stuff. These simple drum beats would require a traditional drummer, all four limbs. Drummer's right foot performs a big bass drum. Left foot opens and closes the hi-hats. Right hand plays the hi-hats and the crash. Drummer's left hand plays the snare. That's my right foot and 5 pedals.
Wow, amazing.
Awesome, one person's impressed. It's $500? Are you serious? I like it. She's prettier than your other wife. You guys are awesome. Thanks for coming out. That's a bad man right there. Up here we got a combination guitar, bass guitar, mini keyboard. The bass neck is flipped upside down, orienting the strings on the back of the instrument. I'll play the bass line with my left thumb. Little bass line with my thumb, while I strum the guitar with my other thumb. Probably the best song that I've ever written right there. Hold your close. Out of everything I do, this is the most difficult. Into the song, keyboard with my fingers, while I strum the guitar with my thumb. Bass line with the other thumb, drums with my feet, and sing. Thank you. I'll cheer for myself if I have to. Thanks. Because I'm out here today, I'm raising funding to build projects. If you don't have any cash, guys, I really just want you to relax. We have an ATM next to CVS. You can all tip me. There's a ring on the front of the box. Drop your tips through there. If you guys really want to make an impact, 20 bucks is a huge tip. That's massive. $10 is an awesome tip. $5 is a solid tip. These projects, they cost tens of thousands of dollars. Every single dollar comes from out here, from you guys. So thank you very much for coming up, y'all. Appreciate it.
Woohoo!
Thank you. All right, come up at any time. You are watching Sound Ranger. Thank y'all. You guys are awesome. Thanks for coming up. Follow the Instagram account. It's the name on the front of the box. You guys, you're not going to believe what you're making possible. Yeah, keep those tips coming. Thank you. Run back and get more money. It's a game, kid. Thank you.